If you're seeing Steam Error Code E20, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that can solve the problem fast. We'll cover clearing Steam's web cache, toggling Steam offline and back online, resetting your network settings, and checking your date and time settings. These are some of the most effective troubleshooting steps when Steam refuses to connect properly or keeps showing login and network-related errors. If this video helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Alright, let's jump right in. First, we're going to clear the Steam web cache. This is a common fix because corrupted cache files can stop Steam from loading properly. To do this, close Steam completely first. Then open File Explorer and paste this path into the address bar. %local app data, %/steam /html cache. Once you're inside that folder, delete everything you see there. Don't worry, this only removes temporary web data, and Steam will rebuild it when needed. After deleting the files, go ahead and reopen Steam and see if the error is gone. If Steam Error Code E20 is still showing up, the next thing to try is toggling Steam offline and back online. Open Steam, click the Steam menu in the top left and select Go Offline. Let Steam switch to offline mode, then go right back to the Steam menu and click Go Online. This refreshes your connection to Steam servers and can clear up temporary session problems. Give Steam a moment to reconnect and check whether the error has been fixed. If that still doesn't solve it, the next step is to reset your network stack. This is especially useful if Windows networking itself is causing Steam to fail. To do that, click the Start menu, type Command Prompt, then right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. In the command window, type Netsh Winsock reset and press Enter. Once the command completes, restart your PC so the network reset can fully take effect. After the restart, launch Steam again and test it. Finally, if you're still getting the error, check your system date and time. Incorrect time settings can interfere with Steam's authentication and connection process. Open Windows settings, go to time and language, then date and time, and make sure set time automatically is turned on. If needed, also confirm that your time zone is correct. Once that's set, try opening Steam one more time. In many cases, one of these steps will fix Steam Error Code E20 right away, and sometimes combining all of them gives the best result. If this tutorial helped you, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy PC fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.